Benefits of a website for motivational speakers and tips to design one. Websites are the platforms every business needs to prove its authenticity and concrete presence. Of all the reasons, it is aimed to mainly attract traffic and boost sales from various other channels. Every successful brand and business you come across, the website is dipped in the business's vibe. Every feel you get from the site speaks of its relativeness to the business and serves as an online portal to shop your favorite brand from anywhere in the world. Similarly, motivational speaker websites are a beautiful example of personal branding. As much as these individuals use the power of speech to inspire others, their websites should give the same vibe. While the speakers can make the most out of their sites, a few mistakes can lead to bitter pitfalls. Benefits of a well-designed speaker website. It's obvious that even a motivational speaker in Atlanta will need a professional website. Why? Here are a few benefits. A speaker website is much known by the value, help, and solutions it presents. It keeps things interesting to keep the readers motivated throughout the site. On the speaker's end, two big sources lead visitors to the site: it's either online search or referrals, word of mouth. Since the website nails the impression on the first go, speakers motivate the viewers to take action without being currently available. If the website is strong enough and engaging, the speaker can connect to the emotional levels of the audience effortlessly. The website serves as the second face of the speakers, where the viewers can interact with the speaker's life and work on a personal level. The website becomes one of the primary sources of income generation. The aesthetic design lets you stand out from the competitors and establishes your credibility. While a speaker may explore multiple benefits of having a website, they can get started with a website anytime. They need to focus on how the viewers are going to interact with the website, its design, and its functions. Web design tips to look out for when creating a speaker website. Design comes on top of the list because everyone likes a good design and it helps provide an aesthetic visual experience. If they see a good design, they are going to think better of it. Speakers have two choices when it comes to making a website design: create a website on their own using available website templates, or hire a Dallas web design company to create a custom and unique web design. If you're going to stick to the first option, here are some of the crucial web design tips you can start with. 1. See how speakers are selling themselves. The speaker industry is brimming with thought leaders, specialists, and keynote speakers. Make a list of the popular ones and see how their websites appear. Take a note of the design elements, like color, visuals, font, tone, and so on, and see how it resonates with the personality of the speaker. Outline your special focus areas and align them without being over-expressive. 2. Customize your template. As soon as you're familiar with the website creation process, you can choose a pre-created design template for your website. Choosing a template offers you two main benefits. First, from switching colors to placing content hierarchically, you can customize the template as you like. Second, you have the upper hand to add and remove the content as per your liking. When customizing a template, just remember that you choose the relevant one. Keep in mind that it's equally important to look good for the audience as it looks good to you. 3. Start with hero image, event video. Following navigation, a hero image or an event video attracts more attention and appeal from the lookers. High-quality, relevant images with clear call to action serve as the motivational, engagement hook to keep your audience posted. If you're opting for event videos, make sure they're short and optimized to improve your page loading speed. The video, however, should be professional and must show the speaker interacting with the audience. 4. Bold text makes you appear prompt. Sure, you need to motivate your audience, which can be done using bold text with direct messages. You don't necessarily have to fill the space with your stories. The bolder the text, the better it is to set the tone for your speech. Taking this invisible cue, your audience visualizes your tone and how you provide them value. You can also use bold text to create your vibe around your personality. Also, it makes you sound active and influence the audience. Keep the headlines bold with other text in smaller size. It will help navigate your audience towards what is important. 5. Storytelling for emotional connection. A speaker won't be a speaker until he has mastered the art of communication via verbal storytelling. Speakers have an inbuilt quality to share personal experiences, making them valuable for the public. In your website design, your audience probably wants to learn about who you are and what you do. Cutting short, they're finding a way you introduce yourself. A creative description of yourself along with a portrait that resonates your style is a good way to go. Your image helps them visualize you in person and talking about your experiences and sharing your stories. Make sure you add a mysterious touch to your identity and your personal info, so the audience wants to learn more about you and develop the personal connection with you. 6. Keep it neat and clean. No one likes websites that are cluttered with content, either text or visual. If the speaker is able to lay out his words in the simplest manner, the website should resonate with being simplistic. What we mean here is that your content should be placed in a balanced proportion and must follow a clear pattern of recognition. Moreover, the space between different content parts should be equal and breathable. It not only empowers your content, but also allows the users to notice the magnetic flow in the content feature articles, hence vibing with your captivating style.